Hey foodies, wagwan, welcome to the channel. So yo, last night I think about an idea for one recipe. And I get the perfect idea, cornmeal cocoa bread. You go share that video so tasty and juicy beef can see this. Hopefully them can add it to their menu. I'm going to teach you how to make the cornmeal cocoa bread. It's soft, it's good on the outside. Don't worry about the ingredients, it's going to be in the description down below so you guys can follow it and make it for yourself. Leave a comment, let me know how it turned out. Let me know if you like the video and remember to subscribe. Alright food lovers, so we're starting off with 2 cups of warm water and then we're adding in 2 tablespoons of sugar. We're adding a half teaspoon of instant yeast and then we're going to combine all of this until it dissolves. So working with the flour now, we have 4 cups of flour and we have half cup of yellow cornmeal and we're adding in half teaspoon of salt. The next thing we're going to do, we're going to have another teaspoon of baking powder. This is the instant baking powder. So you go combine everything and then make a well in the middle of it. We're adding in 2 tablespoons of soft butter. You can add melted butter if you want. So you make a well in the middle and then you go pour in the liquid. And remember, the liquid has been sitting for about 10 minutes to get the yeast activated. So after you're adding in your liquid now, it's time to knead the dough. And you don't want to over knead it, you just want to knead it modestly. Because the longer you knead it, it's the tighter the recipe will become. So we're going to knead this dough until it's soft but not sticky. So after the kneading is done, we're going to let this sit for about 10 minutes or until it doubles in size. You can see how it's soft. Then you're going to cut it up and shape it into the desired size you want. So we're going to make it into a ball. We're going to cut them nice and even. And then we shape it into a ball. This might be difficult, but it's just like making dumpling. You can roll it on the counter or you can roll it in your hands. This way it's preferably, to me, it's a lot easier to roll it in your hands. So after you cut them and shape them, now let's turn them into a ball. Let's dust the surface of the board to roll out the dough. Alright my food lovers, they're just about done. We're going to rub some butter on it. You can look at, when you're checking them, just check the bottom. If the bottom is golden brown, then you know they're ready. These are nice and hot. We're just brushing some hot butter onto it so that it stays soft. You know it thing go already. When I'm down, my cocoa bread is so. Alright, so this is the cornmeal cocoa bread. Thank you guys for watching the video. If you enjoy, remember to like, share and subscribe. I'm Alex the Feel Good Chef. Until next time, remember, walk good.